Pretty good.
Introducing a delicious new oatmeal from Quaker. It's quick and it's hearty. It's quick and hearty. New Quaker quick and hearty microwave oatmeal. Hearty old-fashioned texture.
No kidding. Hmm? They can't be all yours.
Grandma's house to open it.
Okay. You can't possibly have all of those presents at those.
Yeah, Marco.
Uh-huh.
Marco.
Hey, Santa is pretty sophisticated. Ako je mogel tak napisati. Huh?
Yeah. Oh, and Marco. Marco.
Jesi ih prebrojil? Jesi ih prebrojil sve?
No.
Okay.
Marco and Marco and Marco.
Prebroji ih.
It says Marco something.
Prebroji ih da možeš bake i dede reći koliko je bilo. Bude?
Also me.
Budeš ih prebrojio?
10 presents.
Wow. You're in double digits.
You know. Mommy has like 10 more minutes.
10 more minutes for what?
Because she's gonna have it. This one's for you and Papa.
She's so sweet.
You are such a nice
And
one.
so is this one.
You know,
Outnumbered? Gizmos and Gadgets, play!
can I ask you, which one of you brought Tata's present for me into here and put it under the tree? Remember, it was this
I
small
did.
square. Where is it?
I hit it.
Thank you, Demi. Oh, Demi. This one says Demi on it, but that's for me.
Demi always writes her own name on her presents.
Here you go.
Thank you. Wow.
Here's a little one.
Okay, no, we found it. What does that one say on it?
Then,
No, that's for you. Demi, you want me to get you something to drink?
no. I just want to open my little present. I think you need this. Yeah. Camera. Camera on it.
those cameras that it's not a separate camera. The film is inside of it. So once you finish, okay, now just set it aside. I have to look and see how it looks myself.
Can I take this off?
No, because the camera and the film are all one piece. This is a different kind of camera.
Hopefully I'm not going to fix this.
Oh, what a nice picture of a girl, Debbie. Thank you. Thanks.
Oh, goody. Oh, goody. Tata, I like here. And actually flies, too.
What is it, Marco?
What?
What is it?
Look, what does it actually flies? What is this? There's label right here.
Does it have a label on it? Then we start with something that has a label on it that says Debbie.
Roy! Oh, I love these pens. They're the coolest.
Remember we were looking for it last year in Miami or someplace and we didn't.
Found it, but it was too expensive.
Mm-hmm.
And now look how old I get it.
Margaret, why did you take your watch off? I saw part of it in the kitchen.
Oh no, that's the whole thing. I just took it off because I just didn't feel like having it all the time.
Oh, Yanko's looking for her present and we don't have one.
Yeah,
Wow.
that makes me mad. Actually, instead of opening this present at Grandma's, instead of,
What is it?
I don't know, because I'm opening it at Grandma's.
What a question.
Which one is it? Let's see. Look what I got.
Yeah, Demi.
Oh,
Isn't
goody.
that what Grandma has? Something like it? It's a
Yeah,
dartboard. You see the little
super.
darts?
Oh my god! Oh my god, this is like a centurion! Look what I got! Oh, you throw that thing and you try and... Why don't you bring that to Grandma? That's a great one today.
She already has one.
Yeah, but that's one with the ball. I'm putting my camera. This is probably Sky got the version. That's the good. Whose is this present? Rocket Batman. How many Batman action figures do I have here?
Shimmy, are you starting with the little ones?
I got two little ones. It's the teeth of the Lion King.
Yeah, that's right.
Is Tata allowed to take pictures of mommy this morning?
I got the teeth of Lion King.
Not my profile.
Oh, good, good. Oh, good. Demi, you're so lucky. I'm about to say, oh, good girl. What is this?
That's yours, Dim? No, that's mine.
Here.
Okay, I'm going to save mine till the end.
Look at Beasley. He likes his present. He knew that was for him. Yeah, that's me talking about you. You like your present? Look at him. Oh, yes, he likes his present. He likes his present.
I'm going to open it. This is Demi, and I'm going to open it. Open my present.
Demi, are you gonna take any of them to Grandma's house to open there? Marco put a couple of his or three of them to the side to open it over there.
What is it? I can't see. Oh, yeah. Thought you, that's right. You ran out of the old ones.
Yanka's gonna get mad looking for the present.
Well, we have to get him one at the last second, so.
Mm-hmm. Good morning.
Who's that, Batman? Let's take a look at Batman. Sit. Take a look at Batman.
Good morning. Merry Christmas.
What do you mean? Are you kidding? We've been waiting.
Good morning. Merry Christmas. I come with the camera.
No, 15, 20 minutes ago?
Here. The rest of it. Hi guys. Merry Christmas. Good morning. It's kind of hard to keep track of all of these babies. Hi. Where did you get that? Who gave you that? Where's Nikki? Right behind you. I think Marco probably gave you that.
Very exciting.
There he is.
Very exciting.
Marco.
Look at this.
Hi.
Hey, Merry Christmas.
Hi. Good morning. Merry Christmas.
That thing. Gary. So wet. How are you? It's Batman. We got red.
Look at this dog. I'm
Oh,
gonna
sorry. That's all right.
Look at it.
Hey, Johnny mate. Oh, hey, you pretty girl.
No, Bear's outside. Trying to make it was a mistake.
And can I see the top boy? Alright.
Batman, boo 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 boo, Batman, Batman,
Decided to sit with me. That's very nice. Look, you can see what I'm taking pictures of. See? Let's take a picture of Barry and Christopher and Mommy. See? Mommy doesn't know we're taking a picture of her.
Who's going? And Margaret has to go first. Can I take a picture?
Sorry?
Can I take a picture?
It's taking a picture. I'm not doing anything. So you're taking a picture with me. See? Hey, look at that. There she comes. Elena.
Alright, let's find some for Elena and Barry and Chris. Well, these will.
Don't step on it. Baby Ann. Baby Ann.
Oh, Andy. You left
We're
it.
going to get to give each one of them one.
Yeah. There. Oh, there's a present. Who's that from? Wait, let's see what it says.
Oh, we actually got
Barry, this is from John, Uncle John, and Elena, and baby John. And,
This is for Chris.
Chris? Where's Chris?
hope all of you folks are done having kids, because this is just about critical level of confusion. Barry, you didn't sound like you were convinced that you are done. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. Anything you'd like to share with us?
They're not all mine.
Anything you'd like to share with us? I'm right here. Hey, you're welcome. You're welcome.
Hey, Chris.
No pushing, guys. There we go.
Yeah, where is it?
Somebody's trying on theirs. Where are those? Where's the six-pack, man? The question is, does it fit? It fits.
Wow, look at that.
Okay, that's time to show you how to do a word stuff.
Is this something for Daddy to construct?
Yeah. You want to put it together?
Oh my goodness.
It's pretty good.
And then when you're ready, then you just look at it. That's the button.
Wow, look at this. Wow.
Diana, thank you very much.
Respond to photograph.
Thank you, Uncle John. Thank you, Uncle John.
We got Marco and X-Men.
Oh, really?
This is very pretty. You gotta get a house.
Okay, Debbie's taking the Debbie's taking the picture.
All right.
Okay, get them. And then press it one time. Okay, so now you take one picture here, John. Okay, then Deb, go forward. Diego,
I'm here. I'm here.
ask him to show you how to push it forward and then take it to the left.
Yeah, I will. Let me just finish my film here. See? Who am I taking a picture of now? Right. Alright, let's find somebody else. Let's find Alexander now.
Spider-Man. Mark, Mark, and
What
Mark.
present? Has everybody had one? Has everybody had one? You? Mark had one?
X-Men.
There's another dad taking pictures.
That's Uncle John.
Yeah, that's Uncle John. Let's see who's there. Hey, there's a little John. There's little John there.
Wait a minute.
What's he doing?
Jimmy's busy with something else.
Okay, so everybody.
You got a place to put your kids.
Everybody find a place for everybody.